Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorials. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is flows. Flow is an application to automate complex business processes. Flow is a powerful business automation tool that can manipulate data in Salesforce in a variety of ways. Such application can be created right from the org setup with just drag drop, point and click. The essay of creating flows make it the number one go-to tool when it comes to complex business requirements. Flow Builder is the declarative interface that we use to build individual flows. A flow is a container for datasets, recipes, and related objects. Flow Builder. Flow depends on what kind of business process we are trying to automate. These are useful for two major use cases: behind the scenes automation and guided visual experiences. Flow is purely a declarative tool sit between Process Builder and Apex. In fact, Process Builder and Flows are both built on same Salesforce feature called Lightning Flow. Flows are user-triggered application and workflows are event-triggered. Workflows execute their actions behind the scenes while flows can display information on the screen. Steps to create flow: setup, build, create, workflow and approvals, flows, new flow. Step 1. Choose template and click next. Select freeform. Step 2. Drag elements we want to use onto the canvas. Step 3. Connect the elements to determine the order in which they are executed at runtime. Step 4. Save flow. For example, create a flow by the name flow account. Explanation: if you are not getting explanation right now while doing the practical, just see this explanation. From toolbox, drag a screen element onto the canvas and name it new account. On a screen component, click text and name it account name. Again click text and name it phone number. Select footer and on right under control navigation, deselect previous and pause. Click done. Now from the toolbox, drag create record element on the canvas and name it create account. Select use separate resources and literal values. Select account object, choose name field and value account name. Choose phone field and value phone number. Click done. Connect the elements to finish the flow. Save flow and name it flow account. Click save. Continue. Enable Lightning runtime for flow. Setup, build, create, workflow and approvals, process automation settings. Check Enable Lightning runtime for flow. Now activate the flow. Add flow to home page. Setup, build, Lightning Bolt, Lightning App Builder, new. Step 1. Select home page and click next. Step 2. Enter name, account flow and click next. Choose Clone Salesforce default page and click finish. Now drag flow component on right column. On right side for flow, select flow account and click on save button. Finally click activate and select org default. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to log in. So for creating the flow, first we need to click on setup, build, create, workflows and approvals, flows, click on new flow. Choose screen flow and click on next. Choose freeform. Now drag the screen onto the canvas and name it new account. So on the screen component, simply click on text and provide the label for this text account name. Again click on text, provide the label phone number. Select the footer. In the control navigation, deselect previous and pause. Click done. Now from the toolbox, drag the create record and provide the name create account. In the how to set the record field, select use separate resources and literal values. Create a record on this object. Choose account. Set field values for account. Name field. And here account name. Click on add field. Select phone and here phone number. Click done. Connect the elements. Save the flow by the name flow account. Click on save button. Now just go back and enable lightning runtime for flow. To enable lightning runtime to flow, click on setup, build, create, workflows and approvals, process automation settings. Make sure that enable lightning runtime for flows is enabled. In this case, in my case, it's enabled. In your case, it's not enabled. Make it enable and click on save button. So again, I am going to flow, setup, build, create, flows, create, workflow and approvals, flows. Click on flow account. Now activate. Now add the flow to home page. For this, click on setup, build, lightning bolt, lightning app builder. Click on new, select home page and click next. Enter the label account flow. Click next. Choose clone Salesforce default page. Click finish. Now drag flow component on right column. On the right side for flows, select flow account. And click on save button. Finally click on activate. Assign as org default. Click save. Now I am switching this to switch to lightning experience. So On the right hand side, we are saying that flow account is coming over here, and here I am going to create one account by the name Amit and phone number 111. Click on next. So coming to our account object, see Amit is created. Like this we are creating flows. Thank you.